Are your IText Group apps crashing due to the IText Kernel Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To kick off the manual repair for IText Kernel Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the IText Kernel Library, the core kernel module for the IText 7 PDF library. It manages the foundational PDF syntax and localized memory buffers for document generation. It is a mandatory dependency for modern automated billing and reporting software. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing any PDF export. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Missing common FX library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized application framework logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the IText kernel library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Common FX Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to IText kernel library management. If you've regained access to IText kernel library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.